As I'm getting older, I'm looking for alternative solutions to learn more about how I can improve my health and improve specific conditions I have without necessarily needing medication, right? Because a lot of the medication has side effects. You're getting a lot of extra filler with those. So, really looking for an alternative, something that's a little bit more natural. So, this book was sent to me for review. So, it's the DMSO Healing 101. And this book is amazing. If you've never heard of DMSO, it's dimethyl sulfoxide, but it is a natural compound. Again, it's not a medication. It's something that exists naturally and you can leverage it for different things. So maybe you have arthritis, inflammation. It is really good in a number of different ways, nerve issues. So this was really interesting. And honestly, I've heard about DMSO before and I've done a little bit of research on it, but this book was really great at giving you additional insight, deep dive into exactly how you can use it. It gives you recipes so you can actually make what you need to make. It tells you based on, your weight and what the condition is that you're applying for, what the dosage would be. So all of that is in here. There is a really, really good table of contents. The book is really easy to read. I feel like I got through it in it was about maybe one day with breaks in between, but it's only about 115 pages. It goes really, really quickly. It is very easy to read. The language in it is very easy. I also love that they have visuals in here so you can see for specific conditions. So say that you're targeting more of arthritis or pain and inflammation, it gives you some images there on what the difference is between rheumatoid arthritis or like a healthy joint. So that way you know what that looks like. There's a few other images that I saw in here as well. You have a lot of grids, which I thought was really cool. So here, if you're looking for, essential oil information and how the DMSO enhances that, you have a nice little grid in here as well. But it's very, very good. Again, very easy to read and very easy to walk through. Here's another here where it's talking about some blood vessels and what the constriction looks like there. So yeah, totally easy to get through. You have a really good table of contents in here as well that kind of guides you through if there's specific questions that you have. Again, you might not have heard of DMSO before. So if you want to know exactly what the chemistry is, molecular structure of it, what's the healing power, how can you use it? Because I was very interested when I was looking through here. I said, okay, I have some of these things. How can I actually use this? How to use DMSO for calming conditions. You have other applications of it, combining it with natural therapies. You have a DIY recipes, and I found that section really useful because that'll tell you if you want to leverage it for whatever the condition is that you want. What's the dilution ratio? Exactly how do you use it? Like, what does that look like? I had a lot of questions on that. So this was really helpful. Also, success stories. I thought that was one of my favorite parts of the book because it goes into, people that have used this before, how they've used it, what the results were, and a lot of success stories in that. So that gave you some, inspiration to want to try it on your own. But I love this one. Definitely recommend, again, if you're looking for something that's a little bit more alternative, a little bit more natural and outside the usual route of medication.